I ask you to turn around, okay? Put your hands behind your back, okay? This is one of them, alright? So I'm gonna need you to put your hands behind your back.
Wait, what? This is what I told you.
Hello, Equal Police. I'm Marlena. Do you have a second?
Yes. Can I just put a jacket on?
Absolutely, go ahead.
Okay.
Hi. Are you able to talk? Are you the only one home? Or?
My kids are home.
Okay. Is anybody else home?
No, it's just my kids.
Okay. Do you mind if you talk to us real quick?
Sure.
So, I want to talk to you about a certain incident, okay? But before I do that, I'm gonna ask you to turn around, okay? Put your hands behind your back, okay?
Okay. What about my kids?
I will figure out an arrangement for your kids. Okay?
Can I just call my?
Yeah, you can. You can.
Okay.
So we'll give you that opportunity, alright?
Can I change?
No, not right now. From your sweater.
I'm literally freezing. Like
I understand
I'm
that.
not allowed to change.
No.
Like my kids are literally babies.
I understand that. I saw them in the security video footage.
What security video footage?
Okay. I'm gonna bring you to my car, okay?
Is your
Where's
are your
your
kids sleeping? Or?
Yes, they're
Where's your phone?
sleeping.
You need to call your
Yes, I do.
That's fine. We'll do that for you.
Hello. Nana, can you come to the house now, please? I need you. I need you to stay with the kids because I'm getting arrested right now. I don't know, like there's something that happened at Walmart, but I need you to come stay with them, please. I don't have anyone else to come. I don't have these parents. The only one I know I can trust is you. You cannot call anyone else. Are you gonna be on your way now? Or don't call anyone else.
Wait for her to come here, but we'll walk to my car in the meantime.
Okay.
I'm gonna take a call. Thank you.
How old are your kids?
3 and 1.
I'm gonna stay right here just in case they wake up. He's not leaving until someone else comes, alright?
Okay. Can we like wait inside? I'm cold, or am I
No,
gonna be
you're
in
gonna
the
be
car?
in my car. It'll be warmer in there. You don't have anything on you, right? I know you just woke up, but do you have anything in pockets or anything like that?
No, I wish I would be able to change though.
Okay, we're gonna
Put
go on
some
the other side.
sweatpants.
Just stand here, face the car, and then spread your feet. I'm just gonna pat you down with the back of my hand, alright? Make sure you don't have any weapons or anything like that. Step in. Walk away, man. Alright, I'm just gonna read you something, okay? You just listen. If you want to talk to me after, that's fine. You understand each of these rights I've explained to you. I need a verbal.
Yes.
Yes. With these rights in mind, do you wish to speak to me?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know why we're here?
No, I just asked you that earlier.
Okay. I know you had said something, you thought it was something to do with Walmart on the phone? Okay. Why do you think that?
I don't know. You said something about security camera footage.
Okay.
And I remember I was only at Walmart yesterday, so.
Gotcha. Alright, well, do you shop at Target often?
Walmart.
Walmart? Not Target?
I do shop at Target.
Okay. Do you remember an incident in October? Okay.
I don't remember the exact dates that I go.
Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna be real with you, okay? So there's security video footage of you stealing from Target, okay? You go to
October?
yeah. Tell me if it if I have it wrong or what, or correct me if you have a different point of view. You go to a self-checkout. You have a separate little barcode scanner. You scan multiple times. It rings up for $1, and then you take the merchandise past the scanner and put everything in a bag. And you do that multiple times to multiple items, and then you put it in the cart that has your 2 kids in it. I was just wondering kind of what was going through your head at that point.
In October?
Yeah.
Don't remember doing that.
Okay, you don't remember doing that?
No.
Okay.
지금 보시는 영상은 말레나가 2024년 10월 31일에 본인 틱톡에 타겟 하울이라며 올린 영상입니다. 보시면 왼쪽 사진은 방금 보신 영상 속 옷이고 오른쪽은 경찰이 수배자라며 올린 감시카메라 사진인데 두 옷이 똑같습니다. 옷뿐만이 아니라 머리 스타일, 안경까지 똑같습니다.
Alright, I mean, that's fine that you don't remember, but it happened. It's on video. That's submitted into our evidence department, okay? So that's what you're being arrested for, is theft, alright? So we're gonna head down to the Lee County Jail based off of that. Do you have any questions or do you have any comments?
I do.
Okay, go ahead. I'm here.
I need to call my boyfriend.
Okay.
I just don't have his number, so
How do we get his number?
the only number, it's on my phone.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm bringing your phone to the jail. Once we get to the jail, there's a booking process, so I have to do some paperwork. Once I finish my paperwork, I hand you over to the Lee County Sheriff's Office deputies intake. They get your phones out, the numbers out of your phone. So that at that point is when you'll get the number for your boyfriend, and you'll be able to call him once I transfer custody for the jail. Okay?
Okay, and then what after?
That's up to you and the judge. You have to speak to the judge.
Today?
No, either. I don't know. You might make it in time for first appearance. You might not. That's depending on the whole booking process, okay? But if you do, you might speak to them this morning, or if not, you'll speak to them tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning?
Correct.
So, like, what does that mean?
What do you mean? You'll be held in the jail until you are able to speak to the judge.
What? Even? Like,
That's what happens when you steal, you know what I mean? Okay? And like I said, I'll try and do my best. I don't want to be in the
do
jail as much as you do.
how much it was at Target?
What do you mean?
Do you know how much?
It's a misdemeanor charge. So I would just be careful because there are other cases open, okay? You didn't just steal from this Target on this particular day. You also did it multiple other times, okay? So there may be other charges pending, okay? But right now, I'm investigating a certain case. I have found probable cause to make an arrest for my case. There are other cases right now that are being investigated. I'm just giving you that heads up. So right now, you have a misdemeanor charge with me, but you may have a felony down the road coming. Just letting you know. I
So
don't
there's other ones open? Like, what does that mean? If
There may be. I don't know. I'm not saying that
I'm
you're.
understanding how there may be. I only go to one Target.
Well, that's not true. You know, because we have you on security video footage at others. Okay.
What others?
I don't know specifics about other cases. All I know is this case is my case, and like I said, I found probable cause to make an arrest. Okay. All right. Where were you born? What city, state?
New York.
New York.
Mm-hmm.
New York, New York.
Yes.
Are you employed? That's fine. I'll close the door now, okay? I don't want to tell her about the investigation.
No, 100%
Public social, because I don't want her to go home and delete everything.
No, yeah, 100% I agree with you. So,
Just left it at that.
I told him that his mom has to pick up his dad.
Yes. We're here just to watch.
What do you grow up in?
Red Miranda. I don't know anything. Ma'am? She's over here. Yeah, she's right.
So what happened? You know?
He said something at Target, like some stuff I didn't scan.
Target or Walmart? Which one?
He said Target.
Well, you better figure it out. I have to call because I had to cancel my doctor's appointment. Okay? I'll text you and tell him.
Yes, but don't call anyone else.
I won't.
Wait.
Yeah.
Don't call anyone else. Tell him do not. I'll tell him, but tell him do not call anyone else.
Anastasia's not going to pre-K today, right?
Take her.
Oh no, I'm not going to do that because then I have to get Papa's up. I say up too. Okay, she could cancel today. All right. Love you.
Love you too. Remember what I said.
Bye. Don't worry, I got it. Okay, thank you.
Of course. Just real quick, ma'am, do you have your driver's license with you? Because
Yes.
I have to document who the kids were left in custody.
Yes, I do. Yeah, I'm their great grandma.
Oh, okay.
She's my granddaughter.
Oh, okay.
Why they get into
Yeah.
these young kids nowadays?
Yeah, she's in a little bit of trouble. Thank you.
Okay,
Appreciate
thank
it.
you, sir.
그렇게 그녀는 리 카운티 구치소에 수감되었고 그 다음날 보석금 150불을 내고 석방되었습니다.
Get ready with me to talk about the elephant in the room.
다음은 방금 보신 영상과 함께 말레나가 보석금을 내고 나온 뒤 자신의 틱톡에 올린 입장문입니다. 이 영상은 말레나가 처음 체포되기 바로 전날인 11월 20일에 동네 타겟에서 또다시 물건을 훔치는 모습이 찍힌 영상입니다. 자세히 보시면 손에 따로 바코드를 들고 찍고 있습니다. 가격이 저렴한 물건은 스캔을 하고요. 나중에는 아예 찍는 신용조차 하지 않고 물건을 그대로 봉투에 넣어버리기까지 합니다. 사실 그녀는 10대 시절에도 이미 범죄를 저질렀습니다. 17살이던 당시 운전면허증도 없이 친구의 차를 훔쳐 몰고 나갔다가 사고를 내고 그 차량을 던킨도넛 근처 도랑에 처박아 버렸습니다.
Hello, Marlena.
Hi.
Remember me? Just gotta follow up with you. That's all. You know how I said that there was gonna be some follow-up investigations? The first time I saw you? This is one of them, alright? So I'm gonna need you to put your hands behind your back.
Wait, what?
Put your hands behind your back.
Wait,
Don't fight
gee!
it. Don't fight it. Don't fight it.
I have to put
Hold on.
shoes
I will
on.
talk to you in a second, alright? Just give us a second. Just give us a second.
Bro, this is why I told you. Sydney. Call my dad, call my grandma, tell him to call my lawyer now.
Hold on, just stay over there.
You guys said that you guys were just coming for a follow-up.
Yep,
They
this is the
lied.
follow-up.
This is a follow-up right now that we're doing.
I told her this the first time I saw her.
But I don't understand why you guys are putting handcuffs.
You gotta be kidding me. I told you not to open the door.
I've explained to you. Yes or no?
I need to talk to my fiance.
It's a yes or a no. Do you understand
Wait,
your
yes.
rights? Yes? With these rights in mind, do you wish to speak to me?
No.
Like I said, you're being arrested for theft, okay?
Well, I need to talk to him before I go.
Why is that?
I just need to ask him a question.
What's the question? I'll ask him.
If he called my lawyer.
She wants to know if you called her lawyer.
I was just on the phone.
Okay. So yes?
I was something like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
He said something like that, yeah.
Can you bring him over here? I just like.
No, I'm not bringing him over here.
But you did it last time with my grandma, so I'm not
Correct, but I'm
understanding.
waiting for a female officer to search you, so I'm not bringing him over here.
But I don't understand.
I don't have to do that.
Do you even have a written arrest?
What?
Do you have a written arrest?
What does that mean?
Like they allowed you to come and arrest?
What does that mean? A written arrest? I'm not understanding that. I have
just need to
probable
talk to my
cause to
fiance.
arrest you if that's what you mean.
What?
I have probable cause to arrest you right now if that's what you mean.
처음 한 달 동안 그녀는 자신이 너무 가난해 변호사를 선임할 수 없다며 국선 변호인을 선임해 무죄를 주장하며 싸웠습니다. 그러나 상황이 여의치 않다고 판단했는지 사선 변호인을 고용하여 다시 2개월 동안 변론을 이어갔습니다. 그 후 그녀는 자신은 유죄를 인정하지 않지만 기소 내용에 대해서는 다투지 않겠다는 항변을 제기했습니다. 당연히 법원은 유죄 판결을 내렸습니다. 두 번째 체포됐을 땐 보석금 500불을 내게 됩니다. 법원은 그녀에게 12개월 보호관찰과 전국 모든 타겟 매장 출입 금지를 명령하며 타겟 측에 725불 32센트의 배상금과 함께 법원 비용, 국선 변호사 비용, 벌금 등을 포함하여 총 1,595불 32센트를 부담하라는 판결을 내렸습니다.